So far we learned about Holi, festival of colors. We are learning about festivals of India. We learned about Holi, festival of colors, is a festival of Hindus we learned. Then we learned about Dasra, it's also called Vijayadashmi. It marks the Lord's Rama's victory over the demon king Ravana, victory of good over evil, yes. And that day people make the model of Ravana and they will burn it. Yes. So that is Dasra. Then we learned about Deepavali, or we say Diwali, festival of lights. People decorate their houses with earthen diyas, with full of lights. And it marks the returning of the Rama to the Ayodhya after the 14 years of Vanavas. Then people go to temple and they pray to goddess Lakshmi during this day. And Eid, that's we learned about Eid. It comes after the month of Ramzan, and it's a festival of Muslims. They go to mosque to pray and they wish each other by hugging each other, and they say Eid Mubarak. And a sweet dish they all prepare during this day, Savian, and they distribute food and clothes to the poor and needy people on this particular day. Then we learned about Christmas. Yes, 25th December every year Christians celebrate Christmas to mark the birth of the Lord Jesus Christ. And then the Christmas carols are sung during this day. People go to the church and they light candles. Christians go there and light candles, and the children are believed that Santa Claus comes during this day to give gifts like candies, toys, etc. to the children. Yes, that's about Christmas. Then next festival we are going to learn about is Guru Parab. Guru. Gur Parab or Guru Parab. Purab. Gurpurab, Gur Parab. Yes, it is celebrated to mark the birthdays of the 10 Sikh Gurus. 10 Sikh Gurus. It is the birthday of 10 Sikh Gurus. Sikh people celebrate this festival. Guru Parab, it's a birthday of 10 Sikh Gurus, and people go to Gurudwara. It's a temple of Sikh people. Okay, Gurudwara. They go to Gurudwara and this day, and they for prayers they go to Gurudwara. Sikh people go to Gurudwara to pray. A community meal called Langar. This is a community meal called Langar. Is also held in Gurudwara. That's actually people eat together from a common kitchen called Langar, we say. That particular day Sikh people they go to Gurudwara for praying, and at the same time a community meal means people together from a common kitchen. They called Langar, they eat. Okay, that is held in Gurudwara. That is about Guru Parab. It's a celebration of a birthday of 10 Sikh Gurus. Sikh people they go to Gurudwara for prayers. People go to Gurudwara for on this day for prayers, and they eat from a common kitchen called Langar during this day. Then next is a harvest festival of Kerala. It is Onam. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala people. Harvest festival of Kerala is Onam. And Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. During Onam, people sing and dance, and boat races are held. Yes, people sing, they dance. Then boat races are the speciality of this day, this harvest festival, Onam. Now you can see the image of boat races here, isn't it? Boat races, they conduct this competition, boat races, and people, those which group will win, they get trophies and all that day. So this is a famous game that they used to conduct on Onam day, boat race it is. Yes, it's so beautiful to watch actually. So it is a harvest festival of Kerala. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala, and during this Onam festival, you know, people, they in front of their house they put pookalam, we say, using some flowers. They make some kind of decoration in front of the houses using different flowers. They do that. It's called Pookalam, and they sing and dance during this day, and they conduct boat races. It's a speciality during this Onam day. Then next is Ugadi. Ugadi is a New Year festival of Andhra Pradesh. Ugadi, Ugadi. Ugadi is a New Year festival. It's a New Year festival of Andhra Pradesh. It's a New Year festival of Andhra people. Okay, Andhra Pradesh. It's a New Year festival of Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana, Karnataka and Maharashtra. It's a New Year festival of Andhra Pradesh, Andhra people, Telangana people, Telangana, then Karnataka and Maharashtra. So these all state people celebrate what? Ugadi. Ugadi is a New Year festival of Andhra people, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka and Maharashtra. It is celebrated in the month of March and April. Which month people used to celebrate Ugadi? In the month of March and April. It's a New Year festival for the people of Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka and Maharashtra, and they celebrate this festival in the month of March and April. And the next is Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi. This festival is Ganesh Chaturthi, and it is the main festival of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Maharashtra. It's a main festival. It's a main festival of Andhra Pradesh, then Telangana and Maharashtra. People worship Lord Ganesha during this day. They worship Lord Ganesha during this day, and after worshipping, what happens? Lord Ganesha is immersed in water. They dip that idol into the water. So that is about Ganesh Chaturthi. It's a main festival of the people of Andhra, Telangana and Maharashtra, and they worship the god Lord Ganesha during this day, and they after that they immerse, after worshipping they immerse that idol in the they dip it into the water. That is Ganesh Chaturthi. Yes. So Guru Parab is the celebration of all birthdays of 10 Sikh Gurus. Sikh people celebrate this festival. They go to Gurudwaras and they pray that day, and they all eat from a common kitchen called a community meal called Langar. Then Onam is the harvest festival of the people of Kerala, and they sing, they dance during this day, and they held a boat race also during this day, and in front of the houses they decorate with flowers. It's called Pookalam. Then Ugadi is the New Year festival for the people of Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka and Maharashtra. They all celebrate Ugadi as the New Year festival, and they celebrate this festival in the month of March and April. Then comes Ganesh Chaturthi. During this day they worship Lord Ganesha, and it's a main festival of the people of Andhra, Telangana and Maharashtra. And after worshipping, Lord Ganesha is immersed, is dipped into water. Okay. Yes, children, so we learned about different festivals of India, isn't it? Yes, so festivals are special occasions, isn't it? It brings joy, happiness that day we celebrate with our friends, relatives, lot of fun, lot of joy that day to all of us, isn't it? We wear new clothes, we eat food, delicious food that day. We prepare sweet, special dishes at home, and we distribute it to our friends, relatives, and all. So all together, it will be a great fun and joy and happiness that day, isn't it? Yes. So we learned about different festivals. Many festivals are celebrated in India. We learned about Holi. First, we learned about Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. For Holi is the festival of colors and fun. It's a festival of Hindus. Then we learned about, yes, Dasra. We learned about Dasra. Yes, Dasra, it is also known as Vijaya Dashmi. Yes, it celebrates Lord Rama's victory over the demon king Ravana. It means the good victory of good over evil, good over bad. Always good wins. Good is always, it will become success. Yes, and on this day people worship the weapons, whatever weapons they have at the home, or if they have any shop in the weapons, whatever they worship and also burn the model. They will make the model of Ravana, they will burn it. Yes, that is about Dashara festival known as Vijaya Dashami. Yes, then we learned about, yes, Deepavali, or it is also called by the name Diwali, isn't it? Diwali. Yes, Holi is the festival of colors, and Dasra is also known as Vijaya Dashmi. Vijaya, yes, Vijaya Dashami, and Diwali is also known as Diwali. It is called festival of lights. People decorate the home with diyas, earthen diyas, isn't it? It's full of lights. It is a festival of lights, we say. On this day, Diwali, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of his Vanavasa, we say. It's exile. 14 years he was in jungle. After that, he returned to Ayodhya this particular day. So that is actually Diwali. It's called Festival of Lights. That day people celebrate this. They celebrate this coming of Rama to Ayodhya. They celebrate by decorating the houses with full of lights. That's why it is called Festival of Lights. And then they go to temple and they pray to goddess Lakshmi during this day, Diwali or Deepavali. Then we learned about, yes, Eid, festival of Muslims, isn't it? Yes, it comes after the month of Ramzan. 1 month they do fasting and they go to mosque to pray, and they wish each other, they greet each other, they hug and they say Eid Mubarak on this particular day, and they make a special dish, they cook a special dish called Seviyan during this day, and they distribute clothes and food to the poor and needy people. That is Eid. They say Eid Mubarak to each other by wishing. It's a way of wishing, wishing each of them. Yes. Then we learned about Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. They celebrate this in December every year, yes, and they celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ during this day, and the Christians go to the church and they light candles, and Christmas carols are sung during this day, carols. They are song of praise and joy it is, and children are so happy because Santa Claus, they believe that Santa Claus comes and gives them gifts. Gifts means like candies or chocolates, toys, etc. To the good children, those who are behaving so well. To good children, Santa Claus give gifts. So all children are good, isn't it? All children should be good. Then only Santa Claus give the gifts. Yes. So then we learned about the next festival. Yes, Gurpurab. Yes, Gurupurab. It's a festival of Sikh people. They go to Gurudwara and for prayers. Gurudwara. They go to Gurudwara for praying and they eat from a common kitchen, a community meal. It's called Langar on this day. It is actually they are celebrating the birthdays of Sikh Gurus, 10 Sikh Gurus, that is Guru Parab. It celebrates the birthdays of 10 Sikh Gurus, that is Guru Parab. Yes. Then we learned about the harvest festival of Kerala. It is Onam. It's a harvest festival of Kerala and people sing, dance and boat races are also held during this day. It is a harvest festival of Kerala people. Then we learned about Ugadi. Yes, Ugadi is the New Year festival of the people of Andhra Pradesh and people of Telangana, then Karnataka and Maharashtra. It's a New Year festival for them and they celebrate Ugadi in the month of March and April. They celebrate this New Year festival Ugadi. People of Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka and Maharashtra celebrate this festival. Then we learned about Ganesh Chaturthi. Yes, Ganesh, another important festival of the people of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Maharashtra. They celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. It's a main festival for them. People worship Lord Ganesha during this day and after worshipping they immerse it into the water. They dip this idol into the water. Yes, so it's a main festival. Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival of the people of Andhra, Telangana and Maharashtra. So we learned about all these festivals of India. So we celebrate many festivals. So some of these festivals are Holi, Dasra, Deepavali or Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Gurupurab, then Onam, Ugadi, Ganesh Chaturthi. Yes, these are the festivals that we celebrate in India. Yes, now it's time to recall. Okay. Festivals are special occasions. Time to recall. It's what all things we learned. What are the main points in the lesson? Festivals are special occasions. They are special days for all of us. Then many festivals are celebrated in India. Yes, in India we celebrate many festivals. And Holi is the festival of colors. Yes, Holi is the festival of colors. Then Diwali. Diwali is the festival of, Diwali is called the festival of lights because people decorate their houses with full of diyas, earthen diyas. Then Dasra marks the victory of good over evil, always good wins. Yes. Then Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December every year. Every year people celebrate Christmas on 25th. Yes, Eid comes after the month of Ramzan, isn't it? After the month of Ramzan, this festival Eid, it comes. Then Guru Parabs are the birthdays of the Sikh Gurus. Yes, Guru Parab, Sikh people celebrate the festival of the birthdays of 10 Sikh Gurus. Then Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala people. Kerala people, Kerala celebrate the harvest festival Onam. Ugadi is the New Year festival of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka and Maharashtra. It's a New Year festival for the people of Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra. They celebrate this festival in the month of March and April. Yes, that's about the festivals of India. Yes, so we have completed the lesson, children. Yes, now you have to read the lesson thoroughly about the festivals of India. Each festival you have to read and learn, and read as many times as possible. Okay, children? Yes, now read the lesson. Now it's our exercise time. Let us do the exercises after the lesson. This lesson 12, festivals of India. We have exercise after the lesson. So first one is time to answer. Answer the following questions. Exercise A. Answer the following questions. Let us answer the questions given. Which is the first question here, children? Yes, the first is, which festival is called the festival of colors? Yes, which festival is called the festival of colors? Yes, we learned about the festival of colors. Yes, Holi is the festival of colors. Yes, answer Holi, H-O-L-I. Holi is the festival of colors. Second, which is the festival of lights? Which festival is called the festival of lights? Yes, Deepavali or Diwali is called the festival of lights. People decorate their houses with full of earthen diyas. Yes, so answer Diwali, D-I-W-A-L-L-I. D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali is called the festival of lights. Now, third one, how do people wish each other during Eid? Eid festival, it comes after the month of Ramzan. So they wish each other, they greet each other by hugging, and they wish Eid Mubarak. Yes, so Muslims greet each other by hugging and greeting Eid Mubarak during Eid. H-U-G-G-I-N-G, hugging, and greeting, G-R-E-E-T-I-N-G, greeting, by saying what? Eid Mubarak, E-I-D M-U-B-A-R-A-K, Eid Mubarak during Eid festival or during Eid. So which festival is called the festival of colors? Answer, Holi is the festival of colors. Second question, which is the festival of lights? Answer, Diwali is called the festival of lights. Now third question, how do people wish each other during Eid? Answer, Muslims greet each other by hugging and greeting Eid Mubarak during Eid. Okay.